So what we do is we start off with some almond milk. I take date paste. This is 13 ounces of date paste. Makes it kind of easy. You can use dates. I have a bunch of date paste. It was very reasonable. Got it on the internet. So this is 13 ounces. This makes it a lot easier. Peanut butter. It's organic. What I do is drain the oil off the top. Oats. I put it in my little Ninja blender. It's a tiny food processor. Make it into an oat flour. I'm gonna put some hemp seed in as well. It's supposed to be good for you. That's my first time with the hemp seed. Some almonds. I'll cut them up kind of fat, kind of coarse. I'm just going to pulse them. Cocoa powder. And you take your date paste in water. Then you just kind of mix it all together. See? That's about what it looks like. Pretty thick. Okay. Put on your rubber gloves. Get out your ice cube trays. I have these ice cube trays that make little miniature, and they have little silicone so you can pop them out after they're frozen, because what you do is once you stuff these full, you freeze them. So you take your mixture and you just push it into the tray. You just keep doing this until they're all stuffed. It takes a little while. Some people use their fingers. You can try using your fingers, stuffing them full. Smooth it down with a butter knife. Another way that you can try besides the knife, you can try it with the spatula. You use it just like you use the spoon. I've done it like this before as well. You'll find your method that works best for you. Okay, here we go. It's been about 16 hours or so, and they are frozen. And what I do is they have these little silicone on the bottom, and that's what makes it easy. Put it over a little glass bowl, lean it up against the edge, and just press them out. And they fall right into the bowl, as you can see. Once you have them out, you can put them inside a little bowl, or you can put them on a plate. You have these little heart ones too, that I showed you earlier. Look at that. They look like little hearts. And they're very good. They're really good. I hope you make them. Enjoy.
Well, that was another episode of Be Green with Amy and my husband Rick in the Green Kitchen. I hope that if you have that chocolate sweet beastie that's hunting you down, and what you can do is just make some chocolate candy and keep it in your freezer for those times that you really just need that sweet treat. So if you try it, Let us know in the comments below. Please subscribe so that these videos can come to you. And until next time, be strong, be well, and be green! Bye-bye!